Clovis Community College, the Guided Pathways would like to provide an update on what we are working on. Currently, we are working on mapping, website design, and success teams. We are also looking at Clovis Community College through the eyes of a student with a focus on equity. Our goals for this year are to map each of our programs and certificates, decide on branding for each of our pathways, create a student-friendly website with useful information, look at our onboarding process and change to a guided pathways focus, create student success teams for our pathways, and engage in an investigation of barriers students face so that guided pathways can focus on crushing them. How can you help? When we map each of our programs, each program will be working with a team including the counselor and articulation officer. Deciding on branding for each of our pathway, we will be asking you to pick an icon that best represents your pathway as well as a color. In looking at a website, we will be asking the whole campus community for feedback. In looking at our onboarding process, we will be asking for feedback and working with students. And when we start creating student success teams, we will be asking for faculty, classified, administration, and students to be part of the Pathway Success Team. In Clovis, guided pathways means clarifying the path, redesigning the path, understanding the path, staying on the path, and high expectations for learning. And in case you forgot, the pathways are business, industry, and IT, child development and education, creative arts, language and literature, health, career and sports science, social and behavioral sciences, STEM and computer sciences, and an exploratory semester where we hope to get them back onto another path. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Guided Pathways Committee and look in your inbox for any upcoming information on how you can stay involved.